Hi everyone, this is Nitya Priya and even today we are going to see operators in Java. So these are the types of operators. First I'll say what is an operator. An operator is an entity that handles operands. Okay, in an expression will have a combination of operands and operators. So one operator will handle maximum two operands, right? So one operator will handle maximum two operands. So the types of operators here we see. Okay, they are arithmetic operator, relational operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, assignment operator, and conditional operator. Right. So operator, an operator is used for mathematical or logical manipulation of operands. Okay, right. So these are the categories of operators that we have already seen: arithmetic, relational, bitwise, logical, assignment, and conditional. Okay. See, here we see arithmetic operator. Or arithmetic operator is operator or operators that do arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Okay, so this is arithmetic operator. For doing everything, we have symbols. For doing addition we have plus, for doing subtraction we have minus, for doing multiplication we have asterisk, for doing division we have slash, for doing modulus we have percentage operator. Okay, that is depicted here: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment. Of course automatic incrementation is done with the operator plus plus. Then automatic decrementation is done with the operator minus minus. Okay, so the example is being given on the right side. Just refer. 2 plus plus gives 3 and 3 minus minus gives 2. Okay, so basically arithmetic operators are called as binary operators. It needs at least two operands. Okay, so that's called as binary operator. Right, now it is the second type of operator, which is relational operator. Relational is two operands are related and the output will be just got. One is less than the other, one is greater than the other, one is equal to the other. Like we can relate one operand with the next operand. That is called as relational operator. So relational operators just relate one operand with the other. They are equal to, not equal to, greater, lesser, greater than or equal, less than or equal. Right. Then bitwise operators. Bitwise operators handle um, the operands in bits. Okay, when even though the decimal value is given, an integer is given, it will convert the integer value as a binary, as its binary equivalent. Then it will handle only the binary values. That is called as bitwise operators. Okay, there are six types of bitwise operators: bitwise AND, we have percentage, bitwise OR, we have an OR operator, then bitwise XOR, bitwise complement, left shift and right shift. And the fourth type is logical operators. Logical operators we have three: logical AND, logical OR, logical NOT. For logical AND we have double ampersand. For logical OR we have double OR symbol. For logical NOT we have an exclamatory symbol. Then the fifth one is assignment operator. Assignment is simply to assign a value to a variable. That's it. Normally we'll use equal symbol, right? So this equal symbol can be combined with arithmetic operator like plus, minus, anything. So that will be used like this, right? The operators and the examples, they are given here, you just refer. Then the sixth type of operator is conditional or ternary operator. Conditional or ternary operator takes the form, see the second line, it has two expressions, sorry, it has three expressions. The first expression has a condition. Okay, if the condition is true, expression 2 will be executed. If the condition is false, expression 3 will be executed. So to handle this conditional operator, normally it is question mark and colon. So to handle this conditional operator, we should have three expressions. Expression 1, that is a condition, and expression 2, This is the true block of the condition, and expression 3, which is the false block of the condition. Okay. And that's all about Java operators. Thanks for watching.